Laura, and I'm from MIG Training, and welcome to our Maintain, Clean and Disinfect series. Ever wanted to learn how to clean and dispose of a safety razor blade? Follow me. Okay, so I'm preparing my cleaning products, making sure I've got gloves and a gown on. I'm using a clean cloth to just pick up some of my alcohol solution, and I'm going to wipe down the outside of my razor. So I'm making sure to get the handles and in where the fingers go. I'm doing this both on a cutthroat and a feathered razor. The actual sharp blade, you can never use this again. So once this has touched the skin on someone, you have to dispose of it. So I'm pulling it out, and then I'm going to get rid of my fine little blade in there, making sure I've got my gloves on. That way I'm not going to catch anything or hurt myself. And I'm popping it in the sharps container. And then my feathered razor, you've got to get like a good angle on it and then just slide. It can be a bit tricky, but just put a little bit of pressure on and then it'll just pop down in there. Perfect. So both blades are gone, and then I'm going to replace my blades. So this is a feathered razor replacer. And then for your cutthroat, I've got a clean blade already prepared. This, you just need to take your time and be careful. I'm just making sure it's going to click into place. I'm avoiding touching the front of the razor where it's really sharp, and I'm then holding it into place as I slide it back down. Do this nice and carefully and avoid any of the sharp corners, and close it and put it away. So I'm putting away my feathered razor into my scissor pouch, and my cutthroat razor, I put it in our barber's cabinet and locked it away. This is just to make sure that everything's nice and safe and out of people's way. I'm then making sure to store all my cleaning products and my oils away, and I'm keeping that out of direct sunlight and in a closed drawer.